here. There lives.
Before, after. Hey, my name is Elsa, and in this video I'm painting this beautiful, familiar design in my friend Garrett's house. It's a remake of that wall I did back in my old bedroom in Kansas City. Do you remember that video? It now has 1.5 million views. Garrett introduced himself to me at a Starbucks in Arizona, saying he knew me from YouTube, later explaining it was this video that introduced him to my channel, so of course we had to recreate it for him. First, we wiped down the wall with soap and water to remove as much dust as possible. We're using snot tape today. It's this tape that I was actually sent in the other video. It has no sticky in the middle, only sticky on the green part. Theoretically, the snot tape is supposed to give you the sharpest of lines. I'm not sure if we didn't clean off the wall well enough or if we were just doing something wrong, but we were having considerable trouble keeping this tape stuck. It was just not sticking. This is about the 5th time we've taped this wall. We probably won't be using the snot tape, but thanks anyway, snot tape.
An hour taping the wall to have it all fall apart in 2 seconds.
So we switched back to the world favorite 3M painter's tape. We created a basic outline of boxes, something I did not do in the first video. And then I began creating the geometric spirals. For a detailed tutorial on how I do this, check out the other video.
Yep, and
Look at that!
I think she gave us some extra paint because I've never seen a paint bucket that full.
We painted the wall with both a dark and a light shade of turmeric in the same fashion as the first video, but learning from your comments, we didn't let it dry overnight before peeling off the tape. We peeled it off immediately. And that's the final wall. It looks so complicated, but it took just a few hours. If you have or are going to try this wall paint, please send me pictures on Instagram. I would love to see them. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!